Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Blyler, and this is my introductory video for this class. A little bit about myself. I'm in my 4th year of teaching, currently teach at Crestview Elementary in the Carlisle Area School District. I'm a 3rd grade teacher there, and I'm really excited that this year I get to have 2 student teachers in my room. This should be coming in February, so I'm really excited about that. The previous 3 years I taught at Melrose Elementary in the city of Harrisburg. At this placement, I had multiple duties. I was a team leader. I was a PBIS team member. I was a presenter at the PBIS forum in Hershey that year, and I was the STEM classroom teacher for a grant that we had. That was really exciting, really interesting, and our kids got to do a lot of cool, exciting, interesting things that they might not have been able to do otherwise. A little bit more about myself. I recently got engaged, actually last weekend, to my boyfriend, so I'm really excited about that. We have a little tiny puppy. He's a mini golden doodle. His name is Chance. Here you can see him being bad, and he always escapes his cage. I also coach swimming at a new pool in the area. Sometimes I've done some open water swims myself, and I like to do things like Girls on the Run and stay active. Alright, so moving into my question, I wanted to discuss what my degree program was, how that relates to the video we watched, and then also just kind of my personal interest in my degree. So Millerville University states that the STEM program endorsement is intended to improve a teacher's skill in dealing with complex classroom settings. So my degree is in curriculum and instruction with the STEM endorsement added onto that. So STEM really just promotes interactive and creative ways to deliver content in science, technology, engineering, and math, and kind of is able to just overall combine all those together. It's very student-centered learning, and it's very much project-based learning. So relating this to the video we watched, John Haiti discusses, he kind of begins his presentation talking about profound teachers, and that there are profound teachers, and that, when, the news or the media is talking about failing schools and this or that, or schools are bad, that's not necessarily the case. There are many successful teachers. And just kind of looking back and thinking about your profound teacher that you might have had when you were in school. That's what I want to do. That's what I think STEM also brings to the table. Because I think STEM creates that interactive learning that challenges kids in that positive manner, that gets them to think and to enjoy learning, the act of learning. And then next, I think that the one thing he said that was really important was about the teachers working together collectively to create an impact. He really talked about how the structure of schools, the attributes of students, deep programs, technologies, they're not the things that have the effect on achievement for kids. It's teachers working together collectively. It's creating this idea that we have an impact, that let the students see success, and then they can reach that goal in turn. I've screenshotted one of his slides because I thought it was very, very powerful. He talked about the power of passion and teachers' collective expertise. So you can see there that the numbers on the side are the ones that are above that 0.4 that he kept talking about, where if it's above 0.4, it had that impact on kids to move them to that achievement. So the first one right there says teachers are working together collectively to create their impact on each other. I think that there's nothing more important than teachers working together. I think so often we get stuck in our own classrooms, in our own world, and with our own kids, and we don't talk and discuss and relate and share and give each other stuff that is useful, and being able to help each other in that way. Looking down the list, number 3, I think is so important, and I talk about it with my kids all the time. Having that growth mindset, giving them the opportunity to create mistakes and praising those mistakes, because that's what makes their brain grow in the end. those are just some that I wanted to highlight quick here. And then finally, I just wanted to share you my personal opinion on my degree. And, as you can see, I really just love projects. I love math. I love solving problems. These are some of the projects I've done in the past, and I just think they're so powerful to kids to get their hands on and moving and using things. So thank you so much.